What is a black hole? There's this one thing that I think is really interesting about black holes. It's that they're not actually holes at all. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape their pull, not even light. This means that once something crosses the boundary of a black hole, we can never see it again. That boundary is called the event horizon, and it's the point of no return for anything that falls within it. But what happens inside a black hole? Well, that's where things get weird, because as you approach the center of a black hole, gravity starts to become incredibly intense. It pulls everything towards the center, stretching and crushing it in the process. This means that if you were to fall into a black hole, you wouldn't just be met with an intense gravitational force, but you'd also be stretched and distorted in a process known as spaghettification. Yeah, that's a real word. But what's inside a black hole? We don't know for sure because no one has ever seen one up close. But according to our current understanding of physics, everything would be pulled apart by the intense gravity and then crushed together at the center. This creates a singularity, a region of space where matter is compressed to infinite density. But what happens outside of a black hole? You might have heard that black holes can't be observed directly, but we can observe the effects they have on other things, like stars and gas clouds. When a black hole passes by a star, for example, it will pull material off of it, creating a bright, beautiful plume that extends outward from the star. These plumes can be hundreds of light years long and are some of the most spectacular sights in the universe. Black holes also create huge whirlpools of gas and dust as they spin and rotate. These whirlpools are called accretion disks, and they're some of the brightest objects in the universe. In fact, some accretion disks are so bright that they can outshine entire galaxies. So while we can't see black holes directly, we can observe the effects they have on other things, which is why scientists are so interested in them. They provide us with a unique window into the most extreme environments in the universe. So there you have it. If you want to learn more about black holes or other fascinating topics in science, stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, keep looking up.